Okay, so now we're going to do hand stitching. Most tailored garments would have a nice blind hem on it. So with our centre back here and our 2 hems, take them to the iron, give them a nice good old press. On this side here, literally give him pin him in place so they're sitting nice and flat, really important through all of your layers. So I'm just going to pin it so we can see what we're doing. And literally I'm going to start doing a blind hem from that side. And normally in a skirt you'd go all the way around, you do your complete loop, but we've just got our back, so I'm going to do one side and then the other. Turn it that way. Start off, double thread, knot on the end, really big knot. I am going to push my knot to the back of that top stitch. I'm going through all of my layers up here, so the knot's at the back. So I'm not top stitching all the way through or catching all the way through that kick pleat. I'm literally starting my top stitch right here, or my hand stitch right here, not through that back part. If you had a really wide kick pleat, then you would have to catch it, otherwise it will buckle out. Okay, but our 5 centimeters is fine. We don't need to. And it literally is as much as the same deal that we did a hand stitch before. If you have been shown of a different, because there's all different kinds of hand stitch, catch one thread, loop to the back of your overlocking, to the bottom of it, come up, come straight up from that stitch, grab one loop. If you have been shown a different variation on hand stitch, that's fine, go along 2 centimeters, come up, it's all good. The outcome, remember, is saleability. So if it is neat, if it is clean, if it is saleable, then you're fine. So, because there's lots of different varieties. This is the version that I show. I know that there's some other lecturers that show the version where they pull that across and they just catch on the inside. That's acceptable too. There's so many varieties of hand stitch blind hem. If you even want to put it on the blind hemmer machine, you absolutely can.
Is there a machine for that?
Yes, there is. In that room 6 there's a blind hemmer machine. So, alrighty, so you just keep going all the way along with the other side, exactly the same. Give this a good old press, come back in, iron it, and you literally start knot behind here and off you go around doing your blind hem, okay, on both sides.